Hey guys, welcome back. This is Adrian from Elite Educators, and today we have a question brought to us from one of our students, Pavan, one of our awesome students. So let's get straight into it. Alan, let me just switch to red ink pen. Alan sold 20% of his stamps from his stamp collection. So remember, when we talk about percentages, we mean out of 100. And the full stamp collection, so let me write it in one time. So the iPad just minimized. Okay, I hope that doesn't affect it. Okay, so full collection would be equal to, or just it again, would be equal to 100%. I think because I'm writing too far at the top of the screen. Okay, I hope this doesn't affect the video. But the full collection would be 100%. And they said that Alan sold 20% of his stamps. So if he sold 20%, that would leave him with 100% minus 20% sold, right? And he would now have 80% left, right? So that's how much he would have left. He gave his friend Harry 3/4 of the remainder. Hey, I was thinking, this is like so old-fashioned long time. We used to collect stamps, but that's because we didn't have Pokemon cards. Or Pavan, Sonic the Hedgehog cards. Wait, do they even have that? I'm not too sure. So 80%, right? Alan remained. So he gave his friend 3/4 of the remainder. So how much did he give his friend? So Harry, I'll just put Harry would have gotten 3/4 multiplied by 80% over 1. So I like to do things the easy way. 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 8, 2. So 3 by 20 would give us 60%. So Harry got 60%. So let's recap. He sold 20%. Harry gets 60%. And the total amount he started with was 100%. So let's see how much percent he has left. So bro started with 100. He sold 20%. And then he gave Harry 60%. So therefore, if we add this up, it'll be 100 minus 80%. So he'll be left with 20%. Now, this is the important part. Alan remained with 80 stamps. So that 80 stamps represents 20%, because that's what we have left. So calculate how many stamps Alan had at the beginning. So bro had 100% at the beginning, right? And if 20% is 80, so 20% equals 80. And if we want to get this up to 100%, another 20, another 20, another 20, and another 20. This will be 5 20s, which is 100%. So that'll be 80, 80, 80, 80. Now I'm just doing it the long way, right? If it was me, I would have just divided the 100 by 20, get 5, and then multiplied by 80. But when we add it up, right, we have 80 add itself 5 times, or 80 multiplied by 5, 0 by 5 is 5. So, sorry, 0 by 5 is 0, 8 by 5 is 40. So therefore, he had 400 stamps in the beginning. Now, the good thing about this question is that we actually did most of the calculations for the second part already. How many stamps did Harry receive from Alan? Harry received 60%. So if 20% is equal to 80, 60% would just be, so 60 is 3 times 20, 80 by 3, right? And 8 3s are 24 at the 0. So 240 stamps, right? So you see, it is all about breaking it down into steps, right? As I told you guys this weekend, if you look at this question and decide to like try and do all at once, you get scared. You'll be like, what? What even is this? Fractions, fractions, percentages, stamps? But if we break it down into little pieces, we would easily be able to get the correct answer. Hope this helps. Take care and peace.